Students, today we are again doing some practical programs, practical session rather on this Python Panda series. Okay, these programs are also available. Okay, in your this thing what you call will be available afterwards in the Google Classroom, so you can take a note of it. Okay, from there even. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us see that yesterday we had used the range function. All right, so simply a list also can be used as a list can be used as a program. Okay, list can be used also to form a panda series. All right, that is the thing. So let us see once more some practicals, and it will be better that if you are downloading the Python 3.7, that is very much required because your practical will start very shortly. Okay, so for that reason I would like to urge you that you must do it, and MySQL version 8.22 yeah 223. Okay, community server. Okay, that is required. Okay, so now first of all, what command should we write? Import pandas as pd. Okay, so there are actually the dual purpose of doing these programs. This will help you out in practical as well as whenever the theory questions will come, that is of 70 marks, there also it will help you out. Okay, that is the thing. So now the series can be written in different way also. Okay, so now say I'm writing s1 equals to what? Pd dot, okay, series. Okay, pd dot series. Okay, and then finally what am I writing out here? So a list I'm taking here 1 so no 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. All right, so a list has been taken in this way. Sorry, list has been taken and it has been closed. You know how to take the list. I think you can understand it. This is a list has been taken inside a series constructor. Okay, that is the thing. So now let's see, just Subranil is waiting. uh, Subranil, too delay, you have delayed. Hello Subranil,
Sorry,
you
sir.
have delayed a lot. Okay, so please next time onwards don't take delay. All right, that's the thing. So this is the Google Classroom of yours, remember, so here only, so you can register your attendance. Okay, so afterwards you can come for your live class every day. Okay, fine. So let us go to the Python program once we have come out of this. Okay, let's just a minute. mm, hmm, Here. Okay, so that is the thing. So now today I will just from the default index, how can you change it? Okay, so now what I will do, just I'm doing print s1. So if print s1 is coming like this, okay, then run, I'm doing executing this one. Okay, so just click on okay, then see what is happening actually. This always, you whenever you write a program, it will you go for straight for execution. Okay, so if you are not saving it, it will ask for saving. Okay, so when it will ask for saving, give a small name. Okay, or rather you give a very short name of it. Okay, s1, suppose I'm giving here s1. Clear? So now what is doing now, say I'm doing save. Okay, out here. All right, so what is happening? So it has been saved and it will go for execution. Fine. So now you see that as we are talking about yesterday, so yesterday there was some problem in execution. Let's see today, hopefully it won't happen. Okay, so now what will happen? Okay, how what the output will come? So I had told you that the series will have the default index 0 1 2 3 4 in that way. Okay, but further if you want to change the index, how could you do so? How could you do so? That is also a question. Okay, so that is the thing. So now you see out here, so nicely this thing has been printed 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, whatever has come, that has been printed 10 20 30 40 50 60, whatever you have taken in the list, that has been appeared over here. Yes or no? You can see it. So it is showing you that one dimensional structure with a single index. Okay, so we have not mentioned any kind of index out here. So what is happening out here? Okay, it is showing you just just 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, let it be hold aside. Okay, now let's see. Now we want to have our index now. Okay, out here, so comma, I am giving the index. Okay, I am giving here the index equals to index equals to, say I'm going to give here what say out here first. Okay, so here I'm giving out first. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. First, someone has joined. Wait, wants to join. uh, am I audible, students? was just now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, who was there? In between, really, no? This is just a disturbance caused. So just now I'm going back again. So I'm taking index first and I'm taking out here index, index second. How many data are there? Second, then third, okay, then comma, fourth, okay, then fourth, then comma, comma, not this one, sorry, fifth, fifth. How many data are there? 1 2 3 sixth, okay, fifth and sixth it will be, sorry, fifth, and here it will be sixth, okay, sixth. That is the thing, okay. So that way, clear. So now what we have done here, okay. So that is the thing. So print s1, though I have given here the index as per my choice, okay. Let's see now when we will execute this program, what will be the outcome, okay. So I'm just executing this program. So this is actually your practical execution, you know, this is actually your practical execution, okay. So here we are having very less scope of less scope, okay, to do the theory part is very less, okay. Then the programming part is, means the practical part is more, okay. So you see out here, you will be able to understand the difference between two outputs. Could you see here, students? Okay, could you see out here 0 1 0? So here the index, which when I
Yes,
had
sir.
not mentioned anything, that time it was coming how, what, 0 1 2 3 4. But when I had given the command in this way, okay, when I had given the command in this way, what was there? The index that I had specified, those are actually in execution, yes or no? So that is actually this. So this kind of data manipulations are possible whenever you are doing the practical, and once you see this practical execution, it will be, you will be able to remember it firmly, okay. You will not forget, okay. That's the thing. So, and I have seen that how the execution, how the what the program is actually, okay. So it is, here is no question and all. So here we are just, I am just taken one program and making you understand, trying to make you understand how this particular thing will work, okay. So that is the thing. So now, okay, what could I do? What could I do if I am posting this one is in the Google Classroom? You will be able to see from there, okay. So later on I will post it, okay, for your convenience, okay. That is the thing. So now I'm going for the next program, all right. So now let's see how the data changes, how to handling the floating point values for generating a series. The similar thing we will write import pandas as pd, okay. So what is happening? So questions, how it will come when the programs will be given, you have to understand the nature of output, what is coming. So what will be given out here? There is no specific question onto this particular piece of program, or particular piece of instruction, Python instruction rather, okay. So it will be given, give the output of the following program, then a set of snippet will be there, snippet code will be there, and you have to write the output, okay. So that time you need to think it in this way. That's why I actually am trying to increase your thinking capability. Do you understand? That is what actually I'm trying to explain you out here, and these are all like practical steps, fine. All right, now what we are doing, we are just handling the floating point values, okay. So import pandas as pd, okay. Similarly I will then just s1 equals to, okay. I could override the programs and all, write the same program, but I am not doing that. I am just doing it. So just I am giving a remark over here so you can understand it, and whenever you are giving the remark, put a hashtag, okay, before that. So that will make the statement what, inexecutable, fine. So just give the hashtag, okay. Now the thing is that what will you do is, hash you have given, now you just do it, okay. What is the thing, what are you doing? Handling floating point values, floating point values, all right, okay. Got it, okay. Now let us take some floating point values, okay. pd dot series, okay. Series is the constructor. What is the series? When you are using the pd dot series, what is the series called? Series constructor, Okay. Series constructor we have to use. All right. Series constructor we have to use. All right. So here what we are doing actually, you see how the data manipulation takes place. I have taken here 3, I have taken here 5, I am taking here 6, I am taking here 7, I am taking here 8.9, I am taking out here again say 13. Okay, this is the list I have taken, and just I have taken. I am not using any index command, as because you know how to use the index now. Okay, so that's the thing. So now S1 I have given. Now what I am doing, I am doing print S1. So if you want to give, just 1 minute. Who is actually Kovi Guru or Prerna? Who is this? Hello, who has joined just now? Prerna. Hello, who has joined just now? It's too late. If it is Prerna, then it is too late. That's what, no, because once the explanation will be interrupted, no, so it's not good actually, Acha, now what am I doing? I'm just giving a prompt. Okay, I'm giving a prompt string right now. Okay, with a print. Okay, printing handling. Okay, or printing floating point values. Okay, this is the command I'm giving, printing floating point values. Okay, floating point values. Okay, so here I am using one escape sequence. Okay, escape sequence, sorry. I'm sorry, escape sequence. Escape sequence means line feed. Okay, so it will actually control the cursor when the program will be at its execution phase. That is known as escape sequence. The /n means a new line feed. All right, /n means a new line feed. All right, that is the thing. So now printing, so it will come, the printing will be done in the next line. Okay, so I'm giving out here print. This is the different manipulation, you can say. So S1 I'm giving. So now the thing is that you see out here all the values I have not taken here as decimal, yeah, floating point. Some of the most of them are whole number values only. Okay, so one value I have taken floating point. Okay, and now I am executing this program. Okay, so at handling floating point values. Okay, that is the thing. So now S2 floating. Okay, now save. Okay, fine. So now you see out here how the things to be done. Okay, so now let us see the output, so we can judge it. So here some points to be noted by you. Okay, that is there. Okay, so and whenever you are using the index as the character, you must give them in a single quote. Okay, that is the thing. Otherwise, if you are don't want to give anything, so numbers and all you need to give. Okay, so just give it like that only, nothing will happen. Okay, you see now see, this is actually the dynamism in Python. Okay, what happened, because float is actually quite a have a higher precedence over integer or whole numbers. Okay, that is the thing. So when one value it found as what you call 8.9, say, which is a floating point values, and other values also it has converted into floating point. It is guessing that all are in floating point only. So this is actually the dynamic typing, you can say, in Python. Okay, so which can be explainable by using this particular program. Okay, so maybe you had read in class 11 what is the dynamic typing or something like that theoretically. Okay, but this is actually the dynamic typing. When I have given only one value, so it entire set of list values it has converted into what, into floating point. All right, that's what the thing. So this is actually the way you need to print. Okay, acha. Now one more thing I want to show you. Okay, that the fixing of indexes by this program only, fixing of indexes. So this is one program. So I'm going with the handling floating point values. This program I'm just copying it up. Okay, and then going for the new program. Always use the Control-C for copy, and Control-V for paste. Okay, clear. So I'm just doing the handling, but here I want to improvise it a bit. Okay, what, by using the index. Okay, index equals to, what I will do out here, I will use the range function. I will use the range function. Okay, so what I will do out here, index equals to range function, how it is to be used, that is the thing that I need to see. Okay, so how many values are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 values are there. So from I want from 6 to 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so there should be 12. Okay, so I need to do it in that way. Okay, range 6. Let's see now what is happening. Okay, if it is working fine. Okay, because there are a lot of different type of manipulations are available, okay, with the index and all. If there is an error, then we'll check it out. Why so? Clear? So now 6, so this is a new program. So see this, sorry, s1 s1.py s2 float. Okay, floating 1. Okay, so floating 1 save. Okay, so now let us see how the things are being done. Okay, just a minute. Now let's see. So what is actually going to happen with this particular program? Okay, so the range function has been used, so I'm going to explain this one. So what actually I want to do with this program, that I want to generate the index apart from 0. I want to generate the index from 6 and 6 onwards. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 onwards. Let's see what the execution gives. Just a moment. See here, students, you please see the output. So how we have done, index can be framed with the range function also. That's the thing. 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I have calculated it correctly, because range function stops at 1 less. Okay, so first of all, what we had seen, the default index 0 1 2 3 4. Second time I have used which program? I have used a program where I have used the first, second, third, fourth, like that. Yes or no? Not this one. Which one is that? Let's see. This one probably. No, this is also the same thing. So now let's see which one. Yeah, this one. First, second, third, fourth, all these things. And finally I have utilized the range function here in order to generate the customized index value. Do you understand, student? Hello, students, do you understand? So as much as much as you will practice, okay, this kind of things you will be able to create very creatively. Okay, means I mean to say the frame creatively. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, there are certain other things are also there. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, in the next practical session. Okay, that's what the thing. So S1 PD dot series, what is actually being done? This thing, first of all, 2 points are very clear. Python supports dynamic typing. 1 point is this. Otherwise, what will happen? Other values, if it had not found the float, then why would it convert into float? That is the first point. And second point is that we can frame the index from a list, from a tuple, by using the range function also. To get me, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
And this class, the live recording link also will be available after some time. You must go through the explanation second time, third time, whatever you like, because the whole class I will upload via YouTube. Okay, the link will be provided into your WhatsApp group. Okay, so kindly the live recording, okay, so recording of this class you must follow. So I think whatever doubts you do have, and the programs I will give in the what you call, in the Google Classroom, so that will help you out. Okay, that's what the thing. So now so
Sir, I have one question.
say.
Sir, in the index range where it is written 6, 12, if we will increase the value of series up to 14, then will it
then the
work?
error will come. Then you have to give number of values in the series, you have to increase also. Then you have to give the number of series values also to be, because when I have given 6 to 12, no, I was counting. Did you watch? I was counting that time 6 7 8 9 10 in that way. It's not it. That time I was counting. Yes, voice you have heard? No, I was counting 6 7 8 9 10 like that. So after counting only you give it. Okay, otherwise errors will come if the number index and data items does not match. All right, so in that way. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so after this class I will make it available also, these programs in the Google Classroom. You go through the Google Classroom and note it down from there also, and then you follow the when I will upload this YouTube link, then you follow it. All right, that is the thing. Hmm, that is the thing. Fine.